What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Ever since I joined Wall Street Bets, I've been craving some chicken tendies, so let's make it. First, we need to start toasting panko crumbs. Doing this makes panko crumbs even more crispy. Leave this on low heat and we'll come back to it. Next, we're gonna make the batter. Start with 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and freshly grounded peppers. Then 2 tablespoons of flour, and Tabasco if you can stand the heat. Mix it all up. Until you have a smooth batter. Next, prep your chicken. I like to use chicken tenderloins, but you can use chicken breast as well. Now let's go back to the stove and check our panko crumbs. Make sure to stir it continuously so it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. You'll know it's ready when it becomes golden brown. Wrap the chicken, dip it into the batter, and use your other hand to put it into panko. This 2-hand method keeps everything nice and clean. Repeat this process for the rest of the chicken. You will want to preheat your oven at 375 for 7 minutes. Chicken tendies are no good without sauce, so today we're going to make some honey mustard sauce. The steps are pretty simple. Start off with 1 tablespoon of mayo. Follow that up by 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A squeeze of honey, and a little bit of sriracha, and lemon to balance out the acid. And we're done, and we got ourselves some Wall Street Bet tendies. I want to thank everybody for watching my last video. It was a great experience, and yeah, stay tuned, there will be more coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Peace.